In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in your constant contact email campaigns. Whether you're looking to engage your audience with rich media content or simply trying to stand out in an overflowing inbox, embedding videos can dramatically boost your email's effectiveness. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to marketing channels located in the left-hand menu of your constant contact dashboard. Once you're in, you'll find various options for managing your marketing strategies, including social media and email marketing. Go ahead and click on email. From there, locate the plus create an email button. This step sets the stage for crafting your message, and here's where you'll begin building your email campaign. Now the fun part, choosing a template. You can either select a pre-designed template that suits your needs, or if you're feeling creative, start from scratch. If you're starting from nothing, this allows you full control over the email's look and feel, tailoring the design to perfectly fit your brand. Next, navigate to the Build tab, which you'll find on the left panel. This tab is your gateway to a variety of tools that help construct your email, including the critical step of adding visual content. Look for the video block within this section and select it. This tool is what you'll use to incorporate video into your campaign. With the video block selected, drag it into the part of your email draft where you'd like the video to appear. Positioning is key, as where you place the video can influence how effectively it captures your reader's attention. Once the block is in place, click on it. You'll see a tool menu pop up. This is where you'll manage your video settings. In this menu, you're going to click on Edit. This will allow you to paste the URL of your video. Make sure your video is uploaded to a platform like YouTube, Vimeo, or perhaps a dedicated video page on your website. Copy the URL from your chosen hosting site and paste it into the provided field. After you've pasted your video URL, simply click on Insert. This straightforward action will embed the video content directly into your email design. Congratulations, you've now successfully embedded a video into your email. This step can significantly enhance how recipients engage with your message, often leading to higher open rates and better interaction outcomes. Consider testing different videos or placements to see what works best for your audience. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide on embedding videos into constant contact emails both informative and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to further improve your digital marketing strategies.